Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Up-N-Runnin. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell right next to it, and be sure to hit the like button. Tell all your friends to watch as well. On this week's episode, we're going to take a look at the air conditioning system on a 1968 El Camino. It's not getting cold, so we're going to figure out why and fix it. So thanks for watching. Alright, on this episode, we're going to take a look at the air conditioning on this 68 El Camino. The compressor was obviously bad, so we're going to take a look at the process to put a new compressor on it. Always replace the dryer when you do a compressor. Then we're going to suck the system down and recharge it with 134A. So should be a lot of fun. Stay tuned. Alright, I'm going to change the AC compressor on this 68 El Camino. The AC went out and Ed took a look at it and determined that's what the issue was, so I'm going to go ahead and put a new compressor on it. Yeah. Battery out. Got the compressor in, belt's nice and tight. Now we got to do the dryer. Oh, we got to put the hoses on the back of the compressor yet. Alright, we got everything done. The compressor's in, the new dryer's in. There's a couple other things disconnected, so I'm going to have to check on those, but otherwise we're done. Alright, I'll show you a closer up look of it all done. Put the new compressor in, put the new dryer in. That's kind of buried down in there. You can kind of see it there.
This gets a lot of tools on it. You take this and do that so it can't fall over.
So now Ed's just got to charge it up and it should be good to go. Another vehicle up and running.
So we're just going to do suction on. Just be holding, but you want to get it. This thing will suck down to around 20 pounds, and it's at 15 right now. So we'll suck it down to 20, let it hold for a couple minutes, and then if it holds, then we'll charge it. should read higher. I mean, I almost got a pound in there. Icing up.
Yeah. See if it's cooling off at all. A little bit. I feel like it's got a little ways to go yet.
Yeah, we're getting better.
I'm gonna check and see if it's cold inside. Definitely cooling off.
Yeah, this before was not getting cold.
About 70 degrees out today.
I can feel it when I open the door.
Yeah. It's definitely cooling off.
Tell me like what my low side is right now.
Ed's got a thermometer in the vent. Ed said the temp coming out of the vents was 48 degrees, so I think we're good right there. Alright, that's going to do it for the air conditioning on the El Camino. I'm a little tired after that, so let's go take a look at the car. Here's an old Buick too. You very rarely see these in a two-door flat top.
Got a new battery for it in the trunk.
All the jacking equipment is still in there. Cool thing about these dashes is that you turn that dial on the right, and what you're actually seeing is a mirror. And when you turn that dial, it turns the mirror, and so you can adjust how you look at the speedometer. The cool thing about these dashes is they work off a mirror, and you just turn the dial and it moves the mirror to adjust the view of this speedometer to the height of the person. Alright, thanks for watching this episode of Up and Running. Stay tuned next time when we get back on that 69 Ford van and see if we can't get it running. So we're going to take a look at the process to put a new, man, I can't talk today. Alright, on this 68 El Camino,